When grease goes down the drain, sewers back up. As a matter of fact, here in North Carolina, over 1/3 of all sewer backups come from fat, oil, and grease, or fog as we call it, that gets dumped down the drain. And when fog enters the sewer system, it cools and hardens, clinging to the walls of the pipe. Over time, it builds up and leads to blockages. If a sewer line becomes clogged, it will lead to overflows, which could cause damage to your home, businesses, or the environment. So, where is fog found? Fog is in cooking oils, butter and margarine, fried foods, baked goods, dairy products, and meat and scraps. You can help us prevent clogs and overflows by never pouring fog down a drain. Flushing it with hot water or dish soap, it won't help. Fog belongs in the trash can. Make sure you scrape or wipe any fog from your dishes or cookware into the garbage before rinsing them. That's all there is to it. Please help us take these steps to protect our sewer system, our homes, and our environment. A few small changes in your daily routine will go a long way in ensuring a safe, healthy future for Union County for years to come. Thank you.